Strategies for Uber drivers. Mastering destination mode. This is the art of cherry picking, episode 4. Learn why you want to save both of your destination modes till the end of the night. Stick around till the end and I will show you why and how you can actually increase your earnings. One small trick when you should turn UberX off and force the app to give you a Comfort or Uber XL ride. So make sure you stick around till the end. All right, now it's time to head home. It's 7 o'clock. 323 miles driven today for $255. I got to get up early in the morning, as you know, so I'm going to use destination mode to go home, and we're going to see what comes up on the way. This is where I kind of get screwed a little bit because I'm used destination mode. There is a 25% chance I got to go around 60 miles, 80-90 minutes, and I have to get gas. So here we go. In this situation, because I'm going home right now, anything going towards home is good. So UberX is on. Even if I get $10, $15 is fine. Generally, I don't pull over for less than 15 bucks unless the passenger is right on my way. All right, $7, no thank you. There's one right there for $64. I couldn't switch over in time, but basically it was going to La Habra, which is, I believe, Orange County, I think. And I couldn't do it because it's 83 miles, it's $20 under, and I've already made my money. But that would have definitely put me over 300 for the day. Ooh, towards my destination, Oceanside. 12 bucks? Oh, it was gone before I could even study it, man. Stupid Uber. There's another one. Oh, god damn. Get the hell out of here. Towards my destination, Carlsbad to Carlsbad. Uber XL. Want at least $15, Uber. Can't do it. Although that's not bad. It's on my way home. Yeah, I thought about it. You didn't give me enough time. You didn't even give me 10 seconds on that one. Yeah, that's enough. Getting gas in my car right now. Yeah, I was getting gas. I think it showed 15 bucks. I'm using destination mode. I'm hoping it's going towards my home. All right, this is the passenger I got while I was getting gas. And I believe it's a 4.92 Uber XL from a golf course. All right, let's see how many people and bags. Hopefully it's 3 people, 3 bags or less. It's more than that. It's not fun. Oh, 3 people. I've been here before. This is a nice golf course. It's for Kemmer?
Kemmer, yeah.
Kemmer? How you guys doing?
Good, but how are you?
Oh, look at that. You synchronized that.
Trying to be
Beach.
polite, you know?
Beach.
Terrace Inn, yeah.
Terrace Inn, perfect.
Downtown Carlsbad.
How's the golf course?
This is a beautiful golf course.
Yeah?
I wish our game matched it, but
Nice.
it's a nice course. Definitely want to come back here when I'm playing.
Probably a good weather day too.
It was perfect. It got a little crisp here at the end, but we're from Vegas, so we'll take the cold.
Oh yeah, yeah. All right, my headphones are charging. Ooh, good. 2 hours and 7 minutes left. We'll still milk it. So 48 miles, about an hour to go home. This is another $14 coming in. That was a father and son playing golf and visiting California. All right, 270. Oh, okay. This is good. I recorded this. One of my destinations is gone now. And stupid shit it does like this because it wants you to stay here and drive. But I have 2 destination modes, Uber. And I actually record this. See, look, destination is gone. Where's my destination? Now I have to do it one more time. See, if you look right here, this is why I always save 2 destinations for nighttime when it does stupid shit like this. All right. Okay, that's not bad. Using destination mode, 7 miles, 14, almost $15. That's 2 to 1. 19 minutes. These guys don't look like tippers, but if we get a tip, I'll let you know in the app. $31 customer paid. And in San Diego, the auto insurance is normally low. So here, $5, Uber took double the insurance, 10. Uber got 15, almost 16. We got 15, so we're gonna say this is a 50-50 split. Now I'm heading home. Basically, I'm done, but I'll still show you a $39 ride popped up and why I said no to it. Another $19 ride popped up. I could have taken it, but I said no. I said hell no. Find out why. Alright, got my headset on. It's getting dark. We'll turn UberX on now. We're using our second destination mode. And it looks like about an hour to get home. There's a little bit of traffic. There's actually always traffic right here where the 215 and 15 freeway meet. But if I get around 15-20 bucks, I'll take it. Otherwise, we're done for the night. Right now, 3 rides popped up. I didn't even want to record them. They were just so stupid. And I'm tired. So unless something good comes up, we're basically done for the night. Yeah, dumb stuff like this keeps popping. So I'm just going to turn UberX off. Because I don't want to deal with it. Oh, that's not too dumb. I don't even know where outside my destination. Yeah, we're not doing that. This one is to Pala. $16. Fallbrook. It's going to take half an hour. Nah, bro. I'm going to go home. Give it back to me. I'll turn you off. Give it back to me as a comfort. Pay me more. Then I'll think about it. Oh, nice one. Oh, I don't want to go to Lake Elsinore. I do not want to go to Lake Elsinore right now. I'm tired. A final figure of how much I made this week in driving Uber. And you will be shocked because I consistently do this with less than 60 passengers every week. Thursday is the day that I've been showing you that I made around $270. Well, another tip came in. I'm gonna finish this video off. So we are at $278 on a Thursday. This is on the 23rd of this month, right? I was active for 8.5 hours. I was online for 50 hours and I only did 8 trips. That was a good Thursday. Now check it out for the week. For the week, the same week, I'm at $1,599. That feels good. Trust me, that feels good. I was active for, we're gonna say 48 hours. We're gonna round this up. And look, I finally did it. 100 hours online. I've been trying my butt off to get to 100 hours online. Once again, if you follow my channel, you know I try not to do more than 60 trips. Sometimes I'll do 55. Sometimes I'll end up doing around 70. But that's it. 70 trips basically means I did 10 a day, right? In 1 week. 7 days in a week, right? So if I did 60, that means some days like this, on a Wednesday, I only did 5 trips. And look, I didn't make a lot of money on Wednesday. So we do have slow days. Let me show you another slow day, Tuesday. Well, I guess it's not slow for Tuesday. 200 on a Tuesday is pretty good. Let's take a look at Monday. See, today's Monday right now. I'm starting next week. And I try to hit Monday hard and get close to 250 if possible. All right? Let me show you. We already seen Thursday. Friday was 212. That's actually slow for a Friday. If you see, I was online for 14 hours and 39 minutes. I was active for 6.5. I only did 8 trips. Oh, I had a cash ride. That's right. Okay, I'll tell you another reason. Wednesday and Thursday were slower because I did a cash ride. So actually the total is going to get updated. Saturday I did 267, and honestly this day it could have been a $300 day, but I chose to just go home and not play the Uber game. And last night, Memorial Day weekend, $276. Again, I could have done $400 yesterday, but I just took it easy. I was working on my YouTube channel and I cherry picked like crazy. Okay, so let's take a look at this. We're gonna call this 1,600, and we're gonna add $230 in private trips that I did. So that's around $1,830. Let me put that in just so I have it. $1,830 is what I ended up making this week. Now, if you've been watching my movies till the end, this is where I drop a lot of information so it helps you guys out. And remember, I'm not showing off, I'm just showing you my style of driving, how I'm able to cherry pick. Now let's look at last week. $1,302 plus there was around 140 I remember in cash rides for sure, right? But I think there was some other stuff there because I remember making around, I think I normally try to stop at 1,500, right? But if I didn't, last week would have been $1,442, okay? Let's look at the week before. $1,615, same thing, around 53 hours active. I was trying to get 100 hours online again, and this week I did 61 trips. Let's look at the week before. And the reason why I'm showing you this is I have a goal. I want to make 1,500 in a week. If I can make 1,500 in a week, then I'll try to go a little bit higher. Check this out, 1,800, right? And active again, 52 hours, online 86. So this was a better week because I was online less, but 71 trips. So for some reason I ended up doing a little bit more trips. Let's go one more week back and then I'll end it. That's the week I wanted to get to, right? $2,300, right? This is when I was at Stagecoach in Palm Springs. Once again, look, 52 hours active, 90 online, 61. I'm very consistent in what I teach you guys. So if you follow my channel and you look at all the playlists that I'm putting together, there's over 200 videos. Check it out. This is all I'm teaching you. And if I refresh this, well, no, let's go over here. Now we're going to start the next week. This is this week. Look, today is the 27th. It's fresh week. I've been online 18 minutes, right? Zero income. But I'm still making my YouTube channel videos. Uber FAQ playlist linked above. Check out the first video on top left to see the next episode. The video just underneath it is the playlist. And on the left, or maybe your right, it's a way to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and keep asking goddamn good questions.